Hi guys, welcome back to our channel for another video. So this is our day 8 in Laos and we are in Luang Prabang. If you are new here and have not seen our Laos series, you can find the link in the description. This is a new day and we have a new attraction to cover. And this is the one that we are most excited about. So let's get started. So our first stop for the day is Kuang Si Waterfall. It is about 20 kilometers from the city center and it will take us about 1 hour to reach. We booked a shared van from our hotel itself and we get to spend about 2 to 3 hours there and again the 1 hour journey back. So it's kind of a half day tour, but as I said in the beginning, this is one thing that we were very much excited about. Let's see how it actually is.
So it will take you approximately 1 hour to reach the Kuang Si Waterfall entrance area. And if you are coming in the shared van, so another 30 minutes will be required, in which they will gather all the people from the different hotels.
Roads still here were not in pretty good shape, so if you're not an expert driver, I would suggest you not to try coming on your own. You can easily find a cab or a shared van or tuk-tuk. Although most of the roads were under construction, so it was quite dusty, so if you're coming by tuk-tuk it will be a hassle for you, so try to get a cab. That would be the best thing. And after coming to the parking area, there is a ticket counter. Ticket for this place is 60,000 kip per person, and from there, after buying the ticket, you will get EVs to come to the main area. And there is a walking trail which is pretty shaded and very beautiful, and in between you'll see water streams and even the bear rescue center. We just crossed it. And on the return, we are planning to come back again. And we are headed to the main waterfall. So let's see how it is. This is a beautiful waterfall and there are even multiple activities to do here, including the zip lining, and then there is a separate swimming area if you want to swim. This is the main waterfall, so there is a nice walking trail to reach here, and since there are so many viewing points, you will not find it very crowded, even though a lot of people are here at this point of time. They are mostly scattered, so you will find cute, nice corners to yourself. That's the best part that I felt about this place so far. pass a bear rescue center, and there are black Asiatic bears there, and most of them are rescued ones, and they are so adorable. You can just stand there and watch them. Best time to reach here would be 10 a.m. Before 10 a.m. if you can come, because very few tourists will be at that point of time. There is another trail that starts from the main waterfall. So if you have more time, you can trek up to there. That is open only in the dry season. After coming back to the base, there are a few shops outside the area where you can get something to eat, souvenirs, and even I see some of the clothing shops. And then there is a fruit market this side. So you will find everything here.
So after coming back from Kuang Si Waterfall, we had our lunch, and now we are just exploring the streets of Luang Prabang. Every corner of Luang Prabang is so beautiful that we are just wandering through the different roads, and every few minutes you will see a very beautiful Buddhist temple, and you would just want to admire that one. So at this riverside park, we just saw the sunset, which is just behind us. And this is a lesser known spot. People are just enjoying over here, just sitting, chilling, enjoying the sunset.
So we are at the night market now, and we really found some good things today. We wanted to buy some souvenirs. I got a pretty top, and we also wanted to buy a fridge magnet, so we got that as well. Most of them will usually quote you a reasonable price, and they will negotiate also, but be reasonable while negotiating. This is a pretty cool market. You can find everything from shawls, then the traditional Lao dresses, bags, jewelry, souvenirs. So you can find pretty much everything here at a very reasonable price. That's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We have one more day to go in Laos, and we will be traveling back tomorrow evening. In tomorrow's video, we will be sharing a lot of information which might be useful for you if you are planning a trip to Laos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering!